Okay guys, so last week I made a video about how you can find data entry jobs, and I see a lot of people are interested in data entry jobs. So because of that, this week I decided to look for data entry job currently opened this week. What it means is that the vacancies are available, and I was able to find data entry jobs in different locations, from US to Nigeria to South Africa to Philippines to India. So you just stick around, and I'm going to show you how I was able to do this. And I just used Google to make the search. So I'm going to share with you those jobs that are very much available right now, so you can take advantage of it and make your application, and hopefully you stand a chance of getting the job. But before we get started, if you're seeing this channel for the first time, I've been working from home for the past 3 years, and on this channel I share my tips, my experiences, my knowledge, everything I know so far about remote jobs, so you know where and how to get started. So if it's something you're interested in, please consider being part of our growing community by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. So that being said, so I went to Google and I'm going to show you everything. So I searched for data entry jobs online plus worldwide plus hiring this week. Now this is for data entry jobs that are opening everywhere, but I was able to see a lot of data entry jobs from different job boards. So but the ones that are currently available and open this week are from LinkedIn. So I opened LinkedIn and I saw this job, data entry work from home job. This one is entry level and is available in the United Arab Emirates. There was somebody that commented that they need remote jobs from that region, so you might want to consider this. And it was posted 9 hours ago. Then this one is data entry job again. It's also entry level, and this one is for Saudi Arabia. It was posted 9 hours ago. So if you're in these places, this one is for the Philippines, although it was posted 3 weeks ago. So you might want to check it out, and hopefully if you're in those regions, you can make your application. So another place I was able to find, I saw a lot of remote data entry jobs on this platform, and it is Daily Remote. That is the name of the job board. And as you can see here, they have a lot of jobs. Well, because our interests are in data entry, this one is in the United States and it was posted today, as you can see here on the screen. This one is legal administrative assistant. It's also data entry. It was posted today as well. And this one is administrative assistant data entry. It was posted today. And all these jobs here are in the United States. So this one is remote administrative assistant. So if you're in the United States, you might consider checking out these jobs. The best part about this one is that they posted how much you can potentially make. Like this one is going to pay you $23.37 to $34.09 per hour to be able to do this job. So if you're in the United States, you might want to check out Daily Remote. Then another platform where I saw it for people that are in India. This platform is Intenshala. That's the name of the platform. And here I saw data entry jobs on the data entry executive, and it is actively hiring. So it was posted 2 days ago, and it's freshers job for people that are on entry level. So you can check it out if you're in that region. So this one was posted 3 days ago as well. It's data entry associate. So you can check it out if you're in these regions to make your application, and hopefully you stand a chance. So for people in South Africa, I found this platform. The name of the platform is Pinnet. That's the place I saw a lot of data entry jobs that you might want to check out if you're in South Africa. As you can see, there is contract data entry specialist here in Durban. There is details about the job. This one was posted 1 day ago. And there are other jobs, especially English teaching job and customer support online. And the good thing is you're also going to see how much you stand to earn on this platform once you come here. And if you're interested in other things, you can filter everything you want on this side of this website, and hopefully you find exactly what you're looking for. So that's for people in South Africa. If you're in Nigeria, I was able to find some, and I used this method of searching data entry jobs online plus Nigeria plus hiring this week, and I was able to find on GG and my job mag. These were the places I was able to find something related to data entry for Nigerians. So this is technical support data and modeling system retainer. It was posted on the 21st of July, and that is today. So this one as well, this one is data center customer operations 3. It was also posted today, as you can see here. There are other jobs as well, but this one is for data analyst. So if you have such skill, you might want to check out these jobs as well. So I was able to find another platform, but this platform is based in the UK, where students are allowed to come on board to do data entry jobs. So if you're a student living in the UK, or even a stay-at-home parent, you want to check out this platform, and hopefully you'll be able to get a data entry job that will suit you on there. So if you come to the platform, I checked their review on Trustpilot, and the review was not discouraging. Like, it was something that looks quite legit. People were saying positive things about them, so you might want to check it out if you are in the UK or anywhere. Now this platform is going to pay you $20 per hour working from home as a professional transcriber. So as you can see, you don't need any experience, and they provide actionable trainings to whoever that comes on board. They also say that they get steady tasks. What it means is that you're not going to stay idle, you're going to be receiving jobs you'll be doing. So these are other information you need to know. And how it works is you listen, you type, you submit, and then you get paid just like every other typing platform that I've mentioned here on this channel. Of course, no experience is required. You have to have good English skills and laptop or desktop, then internet connection, headphones to be able to get started, and this other information that you might want to check out to know. So on average, a beginner on this platform can earn $500 per month. When they work 10 hours per week, they work 20 hours per week, they earn $1,000. They work 40 hours per week, they earn $2,000 a month doing this job. So all you have to do is just make sure you're good with typing and you can listen accurately to be able to type out the things you're going to be hearing. So if you need help with practicing tests or learning how to type, you can check out websites like typingtest.com to get started practicing your typing, to know your speed and your accuracy. Now that being said, if you're interested in making application and you need a fast way to be able to make this application tailored to the particular job you're applying, I've created a 12-in-1 job application bundle to help you get started doing this job as fast as possible. Now the best part is it allows you to customize your resume, your cover letter to a particular job, and that is the easiest way for you to stand out. And it is ATS friendly. What it means is that even if they're going to pass your application letters or your cover letters through an ATS system, you are safe. So if you're interested, you might want to grab a copy with the link in the description below. And if you've seen value so far in this video, please take a time out, like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want a way to get started doing remote jobs, maybe you don't have a laptop or you're total beginner, I've created a free guide to help you get started with the link in the description below as well. The guide is completely for free, so you might want to check it out. Please don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel. If you're looking for other remote jobs you might want to do well to check out this video showing on your screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.